Layla, I'd like to report a crepe murder.
Layla, there's a call for a Crape Myrtle under attack. I want you to stay with this woman on the phone and keep her calm. I'll be right back. By the way, do you still have that $1 you owe me? Thank you very much.
Sir, drop your... Sir, drop your weapon and step away from the Crape Myrtle.
Drop your pruners!
What the? Is that a fishnet?
Sir!
What?
Do you realize what you're doing?
What?
You are about to commit Crape murder. Hey everybody, update. Crape Myrtle's just blooming. It's June. And look at all the flowers on top. These are Natchez variety. And they have a beautiful cinnamon color bark that starts to happen once they get older. And I just wanted to show you how you don't have to cut the tops out. Please don't prune these Crape Myrtles down. They'll do just fine on their own. All these newer cultivars just self-bloom, you know, repeatedly, and they don't need the extra cutting up there, so. Okay, so we got a Crape Myrtle here, and what we're gonna do to this Crape Myrtle is just clean it up. We're gonna skirt up the bottom. You can see how there's growth all the way down here, these little sprouts. And typically you want to keep those trimmed off, and you want Crape Myrtles to be limbed up probably about 3 feet, 4 feet, and create this vase shape in the Crape Myrtle. You want all the branches to grow outward. So we're going to remove any cross branching. We're going to check for any branches that are rubbing together. And so we'll just start coming in and selecting certain small branches. Okay, so Gary's holding up 3 pruning devices that we use a lot of. One of them's the loppers. So the loppers, that's for your bigger branches, up to probably, what do you think, 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches. Next, Gary has hand pruners. Now the hand pruners are great for real intricate cuts and smaller branches. Okay, and then of course we got a hand saw, which will tackle the larger diameter branch cutting. Okay, so we came through here and cleaned it up. You'll notice that we've skirted up all the real small branches, obviously to about 5 feet, 4 feet or so. And then any branches that went inside the plant, we cut those out because we want to promote everything growing up and out. And any dead wood, we cut out some dead wood. And these little minuscule sucker type growths, those are always fine to cut off if you'd like. You want the Crape Myrtles just to grow, you know, because we've said it before. Crape Myrtles, they naturally bloom on their own. You don't have to cut them down to promote flowers. Obviously, when you cut them down, they're going to regrow a ton of sprouts. And a ton of sprouts equals a ton of flowers, but the problem is you'll get a ton of these leggy branches that'll come off each trunk, and they're actually really weak. And a lot of them, a lot of times when they get that heavy flower set in summer, that weight will pull it down and actually break it off. So you're getting a tree that's not very structurally sound. It's like a short-term gain, long-term loss. So don't prune your Crape Myrtles if at all possible, and let them grow up and be really good trees. And once again, just wanted to show that, you know, left untouched, you know, on top. And we're already heavy set with blooms. So these are your single stem variety, which is kind of a neat look for crepe myrtles. You can get them that way at the nursery. And anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, y'all, and take care. We'll talk to you later.
Oh!
Okay.
No.
No, what?
You need to grab it and say, put the.
Okay.